Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to explain performance analytics scripted breakdown mapping. Okay, so what is scripted breakdown? How we map scripted breakdown with an indicator, whether it is automated or formula indicator. Okay, so let's see a practical demo. Okay, now log into your instance. Okay, so let me open my notepad. So what we are going to do? So we are going to do our agenda is a scripted uh, scripted breakdown mapping. Okay, so for this we need to create a one indicator. Okay, so let's assume okay, we need to find average age of incidents. Okay, average uh, age of incident. Okay, from average age of incidents of last updated incident. Average age of last updated incident. Like for example, some incidents are updated like 5 days ago, some are 7 days ago. Okay, some are like 10 or 10 plus or more than. Okay, so something okay, last updated since 5 days, 7 days. Okay, we need to find an average of last updated. So first we need to create one indicator. Okay, one indicator um, to get the data, and then we need to update some breakdowns. Okay, so last updated, we have updated field, but last updated is like how many days updated, like 5 days. We need to group, like we don't know. So we need to create some indicator, okay, with a scripted indicator. Okay, let's see what is scripted indicator. Okay, minimize it. Go to our favorites. Our favorites is performance analytics. Okay, and then an automated indicator. Go to automated indicator, then click on new. We will create some new indicator. Okay, let's wait, it's opening. Okay, so average age of last updated. Okay, last updated incidents. Okay, so average like days, we need in days. Okay, let's add it in days. Precision 0. Okay, we need in minimize direction or maximize direction, anything. Okay, so indicator source is incident open. Okay, all incident open incidents. Okay, so here we don't want count, we want an average of which field. Okay, so we can do average of like mm, scripted ones. Okay, in the scripted ones we have incident updated since hours. We have okay incident uh, we have hours here. Okay, click on it. Okay, so we have here hours, but we need in days. So how? Let's open this script. Okay, so let's preview the script. Open the script. So incident hours updated. Okay, so you see the script, the difference between the updated on and score end. Score end means last updated. Okay, score end means the date between there are two parameters, score start and score end. Okay, score start and score. Okay, score start and score end. Score end means that is nothing but today's date. Okay, so today's date. So for example, if this indicator is running on like source is on open today, right? So every day whenever it runs, then whenever the script runs, then the script date is called as core end date. Okay, so updated on core end. Okay, so it is calculated everything in hours. Okay, but we need on days. Let's create an days. Okay, days is nothing but hours into 24. That's it. Hours into 24, that is called days. Okay, be cautious that we are not updating the existing one, we are creating a new one in certain state. Okay, so or insert, you can do anything, but we can close it. Now if you remove it, you will get a days here. Okay, value is 0. Okay, value is 0 when value when nil is 0. Okay, so this is a scripted indicator, that is called, we call it scripted indicator. Average it will take, and save it. And before saving it also, if you need anything like additional conditions, okay, you need only some kind of incidents only, okay, or if you want to publish to the analytic hub, okay, you can visible by all roles, or which roles you can give. Okay, default time series you have anything, or renders continuous lines, okay, or line chart, okay, or if you have anything, you can do it. You can add it, or whatever it is rated. Okay. Mm, and then we need a jobs here. Okay. Then go to the jobs. Go to jobs. So just create a new job called like temporary job for uh, average age of last incidents, last updated incidents. Okay, or something like that. Okay, so how many? 90 days. I want 90 days. Okay, relative end today, or today we will keep. Okay, for today's data also I want to get. Okay, and historical data, so always on demand, and let's save it. Let's save it. Let's save it, edit the indicator, and uh, get the your indicator here and save it. Execute the job. Okay, so let's go to the job logs and let's see the job is executing or not. Yes, insert. Yes, that's correct. Okay, let's wait for 2 minutes and let's see if everything data is populated or not. Yeah, correct. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Yeah. So it's 90 days data, right? So it's collecting. Okay, let it collect. Okay, 31 seconds are finished. Let's see. Okay, so it's collected. It's finished. Okay, now go to the indicator and see. Click on Show Analytical Hubs. Okay, and you can see the average age. Okay, 459 days. Oh my God, 459 days on yesterday. It's not updated. 458 days, 465 days. Average age is like this. Okay, so I need to group like how many are 2 days updated, 5 days updated, 10 days, 400, 500. So it's starting from 200 days. Okay, you see the start date is 200, 300, how many are there, 400, how many are there. So I need to group it. Okay, so we don't have any breakdown. So we need to group such data. So then what you need to do is simple, the bucket groups. Okay, bucket groups. Go to the bucket groups. In the performance analytics, you have bucket groups here. Okay, let's create a new bucket group. Okay, let's create a new bucket group called last updated since days, something like that. Okay, so we have 200 like 100 0 to 100 days. How many are there? Let's say simple jobs. Okay, So start is 0 and 100. If you want 100, like 101, you need to add. Okay, and 101 to 200 days. How many are there? So here you need to add 101 and 201 days. Okay, and the next filter is 200 to 300 days. Okay, I mean 201 to 300 days. 201 to 300 days. 201, 301. Okay, 301 to 400 days. How many? Okay, 301, 301, 401. Now here 400, 401 plus days. Okay, so then here it is 401 and the end is unknown. Okay, and submit it. You have created a last updated since day. Okay, so a bucket group is created. Okay, so now we need to link that bucket group to this indicator. So then you need to go and create a breakdown sources. Okay, a breakdown sources. Breakdown sources. Okay, click on new. Click on new. So last updated days. Last updated days. Okay. Facts table is PA bucket. PA bucket. Okay, PA underscore bucket. Okay, and here it is this ID, and here it is bucket group is last updated since days. Save it. From breakdown source, you have to create a breakdown. Okay, so breakdown, click on new breakdown, automated breakdown. Yeah, updated since days or something, whatever it is. Okay, and let's save it. Save it. You need to create a link between the breakdown and mapping called break. Okay, indicators. Which indicator you need to map? Okay, average age of last updated. Okay, and save it. Breakdown must have a. Okay, so this we don't have before mapping. We need to fix the breakdown mapping. Okay, breakdown mapping. How you want to fix? You want to fix with an incident. Incident. Okay, scripted. You have mapping incident scripted. So incident updated since days. You need to map and submit. Submit. And the indicator you need to map now average age of incident. Okay, average age of last updated since days. Okay, and save it. So now go to the indicator. No, we have this job already open. So now refresh this one and execute the job again. Execute the job again. And let's see. If you click on manage breakdown, now you have this. This is not automatically calculating because this is not known. So that's the reason. Okay, let's wait. Okay, it is collected. So now go to refresh the analytical hub. So 490 days. Okay. So if you click on, you will get updated since days. So now you have 400 plus 0 to 100 days. Okay. How many tickets are there? 400. Okay. So 0 to 100, you have incidents. Okay. How many are there? Okay. Or 48 days. 48 days is the average days. Okay, you can click on show records. So you will get the records here. Okay, so that's simple. That's simple. You can calculate how many incidents are there, okay, what is the average age of okay. So all these things you can calculate it. Okay. Yeah. So that's how you can calculate, you can create an scripted breakdown, I mean, scripted indicator and scripted breakdown mapping. Okay, so that's it. Okay, thank you.
Please do subscribe to get alerts for upcoming videos. Hope you will enjoy and learn ServiceNow. Thank you very much for your time.